Craving heat and crunch, let's make the ultimate spicy and crispy chicken burger, packed with bold flavor and a whole lot of attitude. Gather these ingredients before we start. For chicken coating and frying. For the sauce. For bun and toppings. Alright, let's get that chicken crispy. Time to coat and fry. First, mix together rice flour, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. This will be your crispy coating mix. Cut the chicken. Whisk up 1 egg in a bowl. Now, coat chicken in the flour mix. Make sure both sides are well covered. Dip it into the egg. Then coat it again with the flour mixture for that extra crunch. Heat up some oil in a pan, and once it's hot, fry the chicken until it turns golden brown and crispy. Sauce mixer for spread. Just mix ketchup and mayo. That's your quick and tasty burger spread. Time to prep the toppings. Let's slice them up. Cut the onion, tomato, and lettuce. These will be our fresh toppings. stack time. Spread a little butter on the buns and give them a quick toast on the pan. Alright, let's build this delicious burger. First, spread our sauce mix on the bottom bun. Place a layer of fresh lettuce on top. Next, add a slice of tomato. Then, a few rings of onion. Now comes the star, our crispy fried chicken. Top it with a slice of cheese. Spread the remaining sauce on the top bun. Oh, and I almost forgot, add some jalapeno for that final kick. And just like that, our chicken burger is ready. Cut it into 2 pieces and enjoy every bite. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and share it with your foodie friends.